Hey guys, so I'm here to show you guys my Boxycharm products that I got for the month of November. I've been super happy about this subscription. I had Ipsy before and I had Sephora Playbox before. I haven't been this happy for a subscription for the longest. I only had this for about 2.5 months, I believe. And as far as the subscription goes, you get 4 to 5 products. You get full-size products, you guys. It is amazing. It is pretty much worth more than $100 for the box, and I'm just like so pumped. Every month I'm like, oh my god, can't wait for this box, like can't wait. Last month's box I didn't show you guys, but maybe I might be doing IGTV videos if you guys want me to do that. To show you guys the box. I haven't played around with the products for the month of November, but I want to. I'm gonna try to. If not, then next month for sure. But it's $21 a month, you guys, for the subscription. No hidden fees or anything like that. I want to upgrade for the other box. I haven't gotten much information on that, but I'll let you guys know in my next video. For this box right here, I don't have the little pamphlet with me, so I'm just gonna go as I go. So the lashes that I got were these Lashaholic, sorry, luxurious lashes, and that's what the packaging looks like. It's so glittery, they're so fluffy. Can't wait to try these out, you guys. Probably these run for like $20 or so. Can't wait to try these out. Then I got this Cover FX glitter drops in Nova, and you can customize this one in your foundation for a dewy foundation or as an eyeshadow, I don't know, highlighter, you name it. It's just a dropper. It's a full-on size, you guys. And I believe these retail for like $38, you guys. Yes, I'm shook. Then I got this Ace Beaute palette. So pretty. Love the packaging. The colors, I fell in love with the colors. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these out. And the pans of these colors are so big. I just can't wait. These are fall colors. Like, they're just perfect. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 shades that are matte and then 4 of the glitter. So can't wait to make a perfect look with that. Then I got these Luxie brushes and premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, cruelty free. They're so cute, and I heard really good reviews about Luxie brushes, so can't wait to try these out. Then the last thing I got was Jonteblu. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing, but cannot pronounce it. And it's a glittery star eyeliner in black, so I hope it's a matte color. So yeah, it's just a matte black eyeliner, hopefully not glittery. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much what I got in my Boxycharm box. Can't wait for you guys to purchase your own box because it is off the hook, you guys. You guys saw the products already, so go purchase your box now, okay? Not affiliated with them or anything like that. Like, it's not sponsored, okay? I'm just like loving this box already, and I can't wait for my next one. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.